Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I have come again with amazing hairstyle, especially for this holiday summer season. If you are going for holiday, this is perfect hairstyle for you because you like to swim, you like to have fun. So with this hairstyle, you don't need to dry your hair much. Just swim. When you finish swimming, just clean your hair with a towel or whatever. You don't need to dry your hair because there is no much hair extension on it. Just a feeding braid all back with a little bit style at the front. So guys, if you like this video, if you this kind of video you like to watch, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like the video, and share the video. Leave a comment on the comment section. Tell me what you think about the hair. Okay, just comment anything good, whether hair suggestion, hairstyle suggestion, or just anything you feel like commenting, or any correction is highly acceptable. Okay, just leave a comment. Most importantly, please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel to join the family. Okay, so guys, sit back and enjoy the video. I will see you soon. guys, like I said before at the beginning, as you can see, just simple. I don't even know if it's up to 12 or so. You can make this hairstyle for yourself, for your toddler. Okay, so simple. And with this kind of hairstyle, you will not feel much heat on your hair with this hot season. Okay, so guys, little reminder, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Okay, what are you waiting for? Look at this beautiful hairstyle and this beautiful princess. Just subscribe, click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification immediately. Okay, so guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye.